Hello students, in previous class we discussed about C tokens, which are the smallest individual units or elements used in C program. Operators is one of the important category in these C tokens. Operators are important as we cannot perform any calculations without operators. To perform various types of calculations, C language has various operators. In today's class, we are going to discuss arithmetic operators, increment and decrement operators, and assignment operators. So first, let us discuss arithmetic operators. In this category of arithmetic operators, you will find various operators which are used to perform the basic arithmetic calculations. So the table shows various arithmetic operators available in C. Plus is the addition operator used to perform addition. A plus B will add the values A and B. Suppose A value is 10 and B value is 20. This expression will generate the output 30. For subtraction, the minus operator is used. So A minus B will generate the output minus 10. That is 10 minus 20 will generate minus 10. For multiplication, the operator used is star. A star B, that is 10 into 20 will generate 200. For division, the operator used is slash. A slash B, A divided by B. A has the value 10, B has the value 20. So A divided by 20 will generate the output 0. If A and B are integer values, it will generate the output 0. If A and B are the floating point values, then it is going to give the output 0.5 if the value of A is 10 and B is 20. Another operator we have is modulo division operator or modulo operator. This is denoted by the percentage sign. So modulo division operator is used to calculate the remainder when a number is divided by some divisor. The expression B mod 10 will return the remainder 0. B is 20 and A is 10. When we divide 20 by 10, we get the remainder 0. If the number is completely divisible by the divisor, the output will be 0. Otherwise, it will generate whatever remainder will be generated. For example, if B value is 5 and A value is 2, it is going to give the output as 1. That is 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Next operator we have here is plus plus, which is called as the increment operator. Increment operator adds 1 to the operand value. So A plus plus expression will generate the value 11. In the similar way, we have another operator, that is minus minus, which is also called as decrement operator. Decrement operator subtracts 1 from the operand value. So after the execution of A minus minus, the value of A will be 9, that is 10 minus 1. Plus plus and minus minus, that is increment and decrement operator, are also called as unary operators as they operate on a single value. Next operator we have is the assignment operators in C. Assignment operator is used to assign value to variables. For example, if 10 value is assigned is to be assigned to the variable sum. Then we can use the expression sum equal to 10. So after execution of this expression, the value 10 will be assigned or will be stored into the variable sum. The other assignment operators C are shown here. Equal to assign some value to the variable, then plus equal to. These operators are also called as the shorthand operators. Sum plus equal to 10. It is same as sum is equal to sum plus 10. 10 will be added to the value available in sum and the output will be stored back into sum. Minus equal to. Sum minus equal to 10. It's similar as sum is equal to sum minus 10 and so on. Increment and decrement operators, which we discussed in the previous slide, can be used in two different ways: pre-increment, decrement, and post-increment and decrement. Let us learn about these operations. As we have discussed, plus plus will add 1 to the operand and minus minus will subtract 1 from the operand. Let us assume A has the value 5 and B has the value 10. C is equal to A plus plus. This is called as post increment. Post means plus plus sign is used after the operand. So after execution of this expression, the value of C will be 5 and the value of A will be 6. That is, first it will assign the value which is stored in A to the variable C, and after assigning, it is going to increment the value of A. So after execution of this, C value will be 5 and A value will be 6. Similar to that, if the expression we have here is D is equal to B minus minus. In this case, first it is going to assign the value of B to the variable D. B has the value 10, so D will have the value 10 and B value after this expression will be 9. So this is called as post increment and post decrement. In the similar way, we have pre-increment and pre-decrement. C is equal to plus plus A. After this expression, the value of C will be 6 and also the value of A will also be 6. That is, first the value of A will be incremented and then it is assigned to the variable C. In the similar way, D is equal to minus minus B. After this expression, the value of D and B both will be 9. It will decrement the value of B, that is 10 minus 1, 9 will be stored into D as well as it will be stored into B. This is how the increment and decrement operators can be used. In next class, we will discuss the other categories of operators.